Hi students, welcome back. In the previous session, you studied about plane mirror and its properties. Today we are going to discuss about the different types of images and spherical mirrors. Do you ever see this, children? This is Aramula mirror. Do you know what is the peculiarity of this? The Aramula mirror is made with an alloy of special composition. This mirror gives a clearer image than the ordinary mirrors do. Till now, you studied about the properties of image formed by the plane mirror. A plane mirror is a mirror whose reflecting surface is flat. What about this? Is it also a plane mirror? This is a mirror having smooth reflecting surface. This is not a plane mirror whose reflecting surface is flat. Its reflecting surface is curved. So it is called curved mirror. What about this one? This is also a curved mirror. The difference between these is the reflecting surface. The reflecting surface of the first one is curved outwards and the second one is curved inwards. So what do you mean by curved mirror? A shiny surface of a spoon is a good example of curved mirrors. Spoon has two reflecting surfaces, one curved inside and the other curved outside. Curved mirrors are also called spherical mirrors. Do you know why are they called so? They are called spherical mirrors because their reflecting surface is a part of a sphere. The mirror, those having its reflecting surface inwards are called concave mirrors, and the mirror having its reflecting surface outwards are called convex mirror. So, inwards, concave, and outwards, convex. Is the image formed in a plane mirror the same as the one in a flat steel ladle? Is there any difference between the images formed on the inner and outer surface of a steel ladle? When you look at the back side of the spoon, your upright reflection will be seen. When you look at the inner side of the spoon, your image will be upside down. The first image was convex side and the second was concave side. So we can say that spherical mirrors are also called curved mirrors. A curved mirror is a mirror with a curved reflecting surface. The surface may either convex or concave. Concave mirrors. A concave mirror or converging mirror has a reflecting surface that is recessed inward. That means away from the incident light. Concave mirrors can produce both real and virtual images. The images can be upright if it is virtual or inverted if it is real. They can be behind the mirror if it is virtual or in front of the mirror if it is real. They can also be enlarged, reduced or the same size as object. Concave mirrors are used as head mirrors, ophthalmoscope, shaving mirrors, headlights, etc. Next is convex mirror. A convex mirror or diverging mirror is a curved mirror in which the reflective surface bulges towards the light source. Convex mirror reflect light outwards, therefore they are not used to focus light. The image is smaller than the object, but it gets larger as the object approaches the mirror. Convex mirrors are used as rear side mirrors of vehicles and in optical instruments. So students, today we discussed about concave mirrors and convex mirrors. Students, try to find out more examples of concave and convex mirrors that we used in our daily life. That's all for today. Thank you.